Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Icon Pass app not working on your phone, right? So the very first thing you have to do is just go to the Play Store and you have to update the app right now. So on the search bar just type Icon Pass and make sure that if you see option update in the place of open, update it right now, okay? And after updating the app, this may fix your problem, but if it doesn't, then just wait. Click and hold and open the app info. You can go from the settings to click on the storage usage and clear all the cache, and after that you reopen the app. This may fix your problem. If it doesn't, don't worry, I'm going to give you a solution. Just wait for a few seconds. Here you have to do the clear the data. Right after clearing all the data, this will delete all the wasteful data or that is making this app slow, and this will fix all of the problem of this app, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.